SmartScan tutorial, how to quickly configure my job buttons. For the existed job buttons, you can try these two methods to quickly modify scan settings. First, right-click on the name of job button directly. Modify saving destination by clicking the icon. Select the desired saving folder. Click the back icon to save. Now, click the icon next to Scan Settings. Start modifying. To save the scan settings and back to the home screen, simply click the icon. The second method is by clicking the job configurations, which located on the bottom right corner. Select the account to modify job button settings, and you will access to the job list that belongs to this account. Click icon to modify configuration. Start modifying. To save the scan settings and back to the home screen, simply click the icon.